students. Today we can see the uses of spherical mirrors. First, let us see the uses of concave mirrors. We know that if the incident ray passes through the focus, this is the incident ray, the reflected ray will be parallel to the principal axis, which means that you can obtain a parallel beam of light in the case of a concave mirror. This property is being used in torches, searchlights, and vehicles' headlights. We also know that if the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection it passes through the focus. That is, you can focus a beam at a point. This property is used in solar furnaces. Solar furnaces focuses the sunlight. Sun is very far away and hence the rays coming from it will be parallel and will converge at the principal focus, producing a large amount of heat. Which property is used in shaving mirrors and dental mirrors? If the object is in between the focus and the pole, you will get an enlarged image behind the mirror, which is virtual and enlarged and also erect. In the shaving mirror, the face is kept between the focus and the pole of the mirror. Dentists also use concave mirrors to see large images of teeth of the patients. What do you know about convex mirrors? For a convex mirror, the reflecting surface will be curved outwards. This is the reflecting surface, and when the incident ray falls on the convex mirror, this is reflected ray is diverging. This diverging property of the convex mirror gives you a wide field of view. You also know that this convex mirror gives you an erect, diminished image always. This property of convex mirror is used in rear view mirrors in vehicles, in street lights, as security mirrors in public buildings. These are some of the uses of convex mirrors. In this session, we learned about some of the uses of spherical mirrors. Concave mirrors are used in torches, searchlights, vehicle headlights, solar furnaces, as shaving mirrors, and as dental mirrors. Convex mirror, as you know, it is a diverging mirror, and because of that it is having a wide field of view, and the image will be always erect and diminished. Therefore, it is used as rear view mirrors in vehicles to see the objects at the back side of the vehicle. These convex mirrors are also used as security mirrors in shops, in stores, and in buildings, and it is also used in street lights. In the next class, we will learn about mirror formula and magnification. See you.